Hello everyone and welcome to episode 5 of this 5-video series about how to find a successful product using helium-10 with James from Freedom Pass. Thank you for staying with me to the final episode. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and we'll be posting more and more content like this, and I'll be making multiple video series so you can continue to get an insight into my mindset of how I find winning products on Amazon. Now I'm going to round things up here very quickly for you and show you the final in-depth layer that you need to be aware of to successfully find a 6-figure product that you can sell to become our next success story. So now let's dive in. Now, where we left off last time was we were going through our Cerebro search results and we were analysing the relevance of the keyword phrases to the product that we are planning to sell. Now, to take this a step further, let's scroll back to the top and you will see we have shower curtain hooks, which had 155,000 search volume per month, which, being honest, is absolutely insane. And this is the sort of search volume that actually equals that 6-figure a month revenue. But now I want to demonstrate how you can analyse this keyword further. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to highlight this keyword, I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to press copy. Now we're going to navigate back to tools, and this time we're going to select Magnet. Magnet is a keyword research tool. So Cerebro pulls all the keywords from your competition and shows you exactly what keywords they're ranking for and exactly where their sales are coming from. And now with Magnet, we can take each of those keyword phrases and take this a step further, which I will demonstrate for you now. So now I've got my keyword, I'm going to paste it into Magnet and I'm going to click Get Keywords. Okay, and now I'm going to scroll down and now you can see Magnet has now pulled up the keyword phrase that we extracted from our competition, and now you can see there's 155,000 search volume per month as we saw in Cerebro. But what this has done now is this has pulled up 6,000 keywords that relate to shower curtain hooks. So Cerebro showed us the keywords that our competition is ranking for, but now we can take things a step further and we use Magnet to find the keywords that our competition is actually missing out on. And you will need to spend some time going through these results and comparing the keyword list that was on Cerebro with the keyword list that has now come up on Magnet. And so just briefly, I will show you this now. Filter this by search volume. We can see we have shower curtain, which actually has 700,000 search per month, which is absolutely insane. Now, obviously, shower curtain isn't actually for shower curtain hooks, so it's not specific to the product. But as you can see, the search volume is crazy, and you never would have known that these keywords exist without taking things a step further and diving into Magnet, because even though you don't want to directly rank for shower curtain necessarily, as it is quite broad and that is a lot of traffic that would probably contain people that aren't just looking for shower curtain hooks. Say further down the line, if you successfully rank for shower curtain hooks, which you can see down here with the 155,000 search volume, once your product has ranked for that keyword, you can then experiment going after the higher keywords. So even though shower curtain is more vague, it could be worth going into this keyword and just doing a little small advertising campaign on that keyword and just see what happens, just purely because that could be 700,000 people every single month that your product is missing out on because you only did the Cerebro search and you never took the time to go deeper and look on Magnet. Now, obviously this is just a simple example, but you can see how the principles apply and how the mindset applies to looking at this information and how you can apply this to your products and your search results. Now, I hope you found this video series useful, and I hope now you have a very good insight into how to actually find a successful winning product that you can sell on Amazon using the power of helium-10. So thank you for watching this video series.